In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your chess.com game. Whether you want to post a thrilling checkmate, send a learning moment to a friend, or archive your best win, I'll walk you through the simplest ways to share it clearly and reliably. First, find the game you want to share. On chess.com, head to the Play section and open your archive, sometimes labeled History, depending on your device. This is where all your past games live. You can scroll through your list or use filters like date, opponent, or time control to quickly narrow things down. When you spot the game you want, select it to open the game viewer. You should see the board, the move list, and any annotations or automatic analysis if you've run it. Next, open the Share menu. Look for the Share icon inside the game viewer. It usually looks like a small arrow pointing up and to the right, and it's typically in the upper right or bottom right corner. Tap or click that icon to bring up the different sharing choices. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're actually inside the game viewer, not just the archive list. Now choose how you want to share. The fastest option is Copy Link. This gives you a direct link to your game on chess.com that you can paste into posts, chats, or emails. It's convenient because anyone you send it to can open the game in their browser, step through the moves, and see the position as it unfolded. If you want something visual, pick Animated GIF. This creates a video-like clip that animates the moves from start to finish. It's great for social posts where you want the highlights to play automatically. You can typically adjust the size or speed before downloading. Keep in mind that larger or longer games can result in bigger files, so pick settings that balance clarity with a manageable file size. For a more technical share, choose PGN. PGN is a plain text format that includes all the moves and, when available, comments or clock times. Copying the PGN lets others import your game into different chess platforms or engines for analysis and study. It's the most portable option if your audience wants to dig into the details. You might also see social media buttons. These can post directly to platforms like Facebook, but if anything fails to connect or trims the preview, using Copy Link and pasting it manually is often more reliable. That's it. Find your game, open the Share menu, and pick the format that best fits your audience. Link for simplicity, GIF for visual impact, or PGN for serious analysis. Happy sharing, and good luck in your next game.